kind of food do you like?
What kind of foods do you like?
I like all kinds of foods.
Really? Can you eat spicy food?
I love spicy food. The hotter, the better.
You are so lucky.
Why am I lucky?
It's terrible when I eat a hot pepper.
Can you eat Thai or Mexican food?
Yes, I can, but only if it's really bland.
Do you eat out very often?
Sometimes.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
I do have a favorite vegetarian restaurant.
Are you a vegetarian?
Yes, I am.
So you don't eat chicken or pork?
No chicken, no pork, but I do eat fish.
Are you a vegetarian for health reasons or religious reasons?
Mostly for health reasons.
All this talk about food has made me hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Would you like to go to my favorite vegetarian restaurant?
What is good there?
Well, of course, the fresh vegetables are outstanding.
Sounds delicious. Let's go.
What kind of foods do you